My name is Deepa Reddy, and I'm an ophthalmologist practicing in the greater Columbus, Ohio area. As owner of the practice, I am very mindful of the investments I need to make. So in looking at what equipment I wanted to purchase for my second location, there were a few things that were non-negotiable. One, the quality of the products had to be great. They had to use the latest technology, integrate with my EMR, and of course give me great reliable data. But two, being a relatively new startup practice, cost and budget was something that I had to keep in mind. So when I was looking at what was out there, including some of the more familiar platforms that I use, I found that the Topcon products really aligned with the needs that I had. I first saw the Maestro2 at a demonstration at a conference, and I was extremely impressed at the ability to capture the image of the optic nerve and the macula in one click. My technicians don't have to worry about what image I've asked them to do because I get both, and it also gives me an overall view of the patient's posterior pole from the beginning, so I have a better idea of their health. So the Maestro2 does give me a lot of information and data, including the reports that I'm able to look at. And the reports help guide me in my decision making. Let's say I have a glaucoma patient that I'm watching or suspecting of glaucoma. That extra information gives me data to do further testing, and that also allows me to communicate that data with the patient so they also understand why I'm bringing them back for further testing.
I'm Shauna LeMaster. I am a certified ophthalmic assistant and I work for Ohio Ophthalmology. The Maestro2 is a point-and-shoot device, and it is very easy to line a patient up and get the result that we want.
I had a great interaction with my Topcon sales representative. From the demonstration all the way through to the training, the representative was highly accessible and highly responsive, and I felt that he really worked with me to make sure I was taken care of throughout the process.
I think that they put a lot of thought into the engineering for ease of use for the technician, and they have taken the comfort of the patient into consideration when designing new equipment.
My experience with Topcon products has been really great. I find that they have been very user-friendly. They give me a ton of information and data to use, and the products have been very affordable.